What is America? You could even look at our Constitution and say, land of the free, home of the brave. Look at this wonderful language that we have in here. Our foundational promise is so wonderful. And yes, we the people only meant white male property owners, but without changing the Constitution, we were able to change our definition of who is we the people to include you, who are not part of we the people in the beginning, and me, who was not part of we the people in the beginning. And that's the beauty of America. And we can also look at that same Constitution and say, it was an enabling mechanism for slavery. States' rights was not about the best way to create a polity so much as to have people who wanted to own other humans in the same country with people who didn't as part of the same nation. That the Second Amendment wasn't about the right to bear arms so much as creating slave patrols to police black bodies. Which version's right? And if we're truly honest, they both are.